Stay tuned to learn about my incredible new food sealer that is portable and powerful. Do you hate throwing away food that has gone bad? All that food wasted in the garbage? Does your pantry look like a disaster with all those clips and bands? What if you could keep your food fresh as the day you bought it and vacuum seal any ingredient, dry, fresh, even liquid? Hi, Eric Theiss here with my new PowerXL Duo Nutrisealer. This incredible breakthrough in technology is so portable and powerful, it can savor the flavor while it seals in the freshness. What's the secret? The Duo Nutrisealer will remove all the air. Once all the air is removed, the air pressure detection system will automatically activate and seal your food bag tight. And it's the only patented handheld sealer that creates double seals, allowing you to cut between them for individual packs. Create 100-calorie snacks, nut butters, pill packs, travel packs, and crafts. Unlike other sealers, the Duo has a floating hinge and a built-in slicer to make bags any size. It's so powerful, it can even seal through liquid. Look what happens when this expensive sealer tries to vacuum seal tomato sauce. What a disaster! The Nutrisealer's handheld design prevents liquids from being pulled into the sealer. Look, we marinated this pear in beet juice. Watch as the air is removed, all this liquid penetrates deep inside the pear. This means you can marinate in minutes instead of days to make tender steaks bursting with flavor, fall off the bone ribs, and succulent seafood. Don't let its small compact size fool you. This is the power of professional sealers. It can even crush 5 cans in seconds. With just one touch of the seal button, the Duo starts to seal any bag. Reseal original food packaging again and again in your pantry or your freezer. The Duo Seal is so powerful, it will stay bonded until you open it. Guaranteed. Protect your phone and it will still work underwater. Did you know US households waste about a third of the food they purchase every year? That's about $1,866 per household per year. The Duo Nutrisealer locks in the nutrients and freshness so you can keep your food 5 times longer. Cheese goes moldy after a month. Sealed with the Duo Nutrisealer, it's still fresh after 5 months. You can even seal and freeze steak for up to 3 years. Now you can buy wholesale and seal individual packs to save up to 60%. Prep and freeze delicious meals and go right from your freezer to your grill for fresh, delicious dinners in minutes. Pulled pork and mac and cheese, single servings in seconds. Our bags are BPA free, microwave safe, and will never leach, which makes them perfect for cooking right in the bag. Buy seasonal fresh veggies and fruit and preserve their rich, flavorful nutrients all year long. Our American Innovation Lab tested the PowerXL Duo Nutrisealer against 8 popular sealers. The Duo, with its compact design, had the same amount of power as these larger units, and the Duo is the only patented handheld sealer that creates a secure double seal. The only one to be able to vacuum seal liquids. They had the least amount of bag waste in every seal. The only one with a hinge that seals in any position for custom bags. And the lowest weight at under 2.5 pounds. There's no comparison. Now you can put the power of the PowerXL Duo Nutrisealer in your hands for only 3 payments of $33.33. And we're gonna let you try it in your home for 90 days. If you don't completely love it, send it back for a refund, no questions asked. And it comes with an ironclad 1-year VIP guarantee protection plan. You also get my recipe book filled with recipes for marinades in minutes for super delicious meals, freezer to grill recipes, one-pot meals from your freezer to your stove, and so much more. And we're still not done. Order now and you'll receive an entire year's worth of bags. That's a $50 value, yours free. And just when you thought it couldn't get better, it does. Call or go online, and we'll also include free shipping. All this is a $300 value. Yours today for only 3 payments of $33.33. Remember, this is a special TV-only offer, and it's not available in stores. This incredible offer will end without notice, so you must call or go to PowerXLDuo.com right now. And don't forget to ask your operator how you can get an incredible deal on the Duo Nutrisealer food storage containers and wine preserver.